Have you ever tripped over a stray dumbbell on your way to the fridge? Or maybe you found yourself navigating a maze of equipment just to get to your workout space? Do you find yourself digging through piles of resistance bands, searching for your favorite yoga mat? It's frustrating, isn't it? If so, you're not alone. Many people face the same struggle, feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in their home gym. Many home gym enthusiasts struggle to maintain order amidst the equipment. The chaos can be a major deterrent to your fitness goals. But what if I told you that achieving a serene and functional workout space is easier than you think? With a few simple strategies, you can transform your cluttered gym into a haven of organization. Imagine stepping into your home gym, feeling a sense of calm wash over you. The space is clean, inviting, and ready for you to start your workout without any distractions. The space is inviting, every piece of equipment in its designated spot. No more tripping over weights or searching for that elusive resistance band. You can easily find what you need, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your workout. This level of organization can significantly enhance your exercise routine. This vision of tranquility can become your reality with the right approach to home gym organization. By dedicating a little time and effort, you can create a space that not only looks good, but also functions efficiently, making your workouts more enjoyable and productive. An organized home gym is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It serves as a foundation for a more productive and enjoyable workout experience. When you walk into a space that is clean and well-arranged, it sets a positive tone for your exercise session. It directly impacts the quality of your workouts by creating an environment that is conducive to focus and motivation. A tidy gym allows you to concentrate on your exercises without unnecessary distractions. Clutter, on the other hand, can be incredibly distracting. It not only hinders your focus, but also saps your motivation. Imagine trying to complete a workout routine while constantly tripping over scattered weights or searching for a missing resistance band. When your equipment is disorganized, it takes longer to set up for exercises and even longer to put everything away. This inefficiency can eat into your workout time, making your sessions less effective. This can lead to shorter, less effective workouts and even discourage you from exercising altogether. The frustration of dealing with a messy space can make you less likely to stick to your fitness routine. On the other hand, an organized home gym promotes efficiency and mental clarity. Knowing exactly where each piece of equipment is allows you to move smoothly from one exercise to the next, maximizing your workout time. When you know where everything is, you can seamlessly transition between exercises, maximizing your workout time. This not only makes your workouts more effective, but also more enjoyable. A tidy space also fosters a sense of peace and control, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your fitness routine. The mental clarity that comes from an organized environment can help you push through challenging workouts and achieve your fitness goals. In the end, the physical and mental benefits of exercising in a well-organized space are undeniable. Before we delve into the solutions, let's identify the common culprits behind home gym clutter. One major challenge is the sheer volume of equipment. From dumbbells and kettlebells to resistance bands and yoga mats, home gyms often house a diverse range of fitness tools. Without a proper system, these items can quickly overrun the space. Another obstacle is inadequate storage solutions. Many home gyms lack designated areas for specific equipment, leading to haphazard piles and overflowing bins. This not only creates visual chaos, but also makes it difficult to find what you need, leading to frustration and wasted time. Fear not, for every organizational challenge, there's an effective solution. The key is to choose storage solutions that maximize space and cater to your specific equipment needs. For smaller items like resistance bands, jump ropes, and workout gloves, consider using clear storage bins or drawers. Label each container clearly for easy identification and accessibility. For larger equipment like dumbbells and kettlebells, tiered storage racks are a game changer. These racks allow you to store weights of varying sizes in a compact and organized manner. You can also find specialized racks for storing weight plates, barbells, and other bulky equipment. Section 5 Zone In. Optimizing your workout space. Creating designated zones within your home gym can significantly enhance its functionality and flow. Divide the space into areas for cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. This will help you mentally prepare for each type of workout and ensure that you have ample space to move freely. For instance, if you enjoy yoga or Pilates, designate a corner of your home gym as your Zen zone. Lay down a yoga mat, add a meditation cushion, and store your resistance bands and foam roller nearby. This dedicated space will enhance your focus and create a sense of tranquility during your practice. Section 6. The power of verticality. Wall-mounted wonders. Don't underestimate the power of vertical space. Wall-mounted storage solutions are your best friends when it comes to maximizing a small home gym. Install sturdy shelves to store folded towels, workout journals, and other essentials. You can also mount hooks on the wall to hang jump ropes, resistance bands, and even yoga mats. Another ingenious solution is to use a pegboard. Pegboards are incredibly versatile and can be customized to accommodate a wide range of equipment. Attach hooks, baskets, and shelves to create a personalized storage system that keeps your gear organized and easily accessible. Section 7. A place for everything. Labeling for effortless maintenance. Once you've implemented your storage solutions and created designated zones, it's crucial to establish a system for maintaining order. Labeling is your secret weapon in this endeavor. Label everything: storage bins, shelves, drawers, and even individual pieces of equipment. Clear, concise labels eliminate guesswork and make it effortless to find what you need and put it back in its designated spot. This simple habit will save you time and frustration in the long run and contribute to the overall sense of calm in your home gym. Section 8. The joy of movement, amplified by order. Imagine the feeling of stepping into your newly organized home gym. The space is bright and inviting, every piece of equipment in its designated spot. You can easily find what you need, your mind free from clutter and distractions. This is the transformative power of an organized home gym. When you create a space that sparks joy and inspires movement, you're more likely to stick to your fitness goals. An organized home gym is an investment in your physical and mental well-being, a sanctuary where you can push your limits, find your strength, and embrace a healthier, happier you. Section 9. Ready to transform your fitness oasis? Are you ready to embark on your home gym organization journey and experience the transformative power of order? Imagine walking into a space where every piece of equipment has its place, where you can find what you need without a second thought. This is not just about tidiness, it's about creating an environment that motivates and energizes you every time you step in. The first step is to declutter and assess your equipment. Take a good look at what you have. Are there items that you haven't used in months or even years? Are there duplicates or broken pieces that are just taking up space? Let go of any items that no longer spark joy or serve your fitness goals. This can be a liberating process, freeing up space and mental energy. Donate or sell items that are still in good condition, and responsibly dispose of those that are not. Then, implement the storage solutions and organizational tips outlined in this essay. Consider wall-mounted racks for weights, shelves for smaller items, and bins for miscellaneous gear. The goal is to make everything easily accessible and visually appealing. But remember, this is just the beginning. Organization is an ongoing process. Regularly reassess your space and make adjustments as needed. Your fitness journey will evolve, and so should your gym. To truly master the art of home gym organization, you need a personalized plan tailored to your unique needs and space. This might involve consulting with a professional or simply taking the time to experiment with different layouts and storage solutions. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your home gym and create a fitness sanctuary that inspires you to move, grow, and thrive? Your organized gym will not only enhance your workouts but also contribute to a more focused and fulfilling fitness journey. Let's get started on transforming your fitness oasis today.